the Supra is all finished. Good job, Nikki. All right, good morning. Another day of walking and misery. So I was hoping that this would be the last stage of final high build primer to then block and go straight to paint. But honestly, I'm not 100% happy with this. I think it'll turn out a lot better if I start blocking with 180 and go ahead and prime it again and then block it. So it's gonna end up getting 3 rounds total. This is 180 on a linear block. So I'm gonna start here. I'm basically gonna block the whole thing, get the majority of the texture and areas of concern identified. And then I'm gonna guide coat the whole thing so that I can really dial it in and see what I'm working with. And then we'll switch over to 240 grit and finish off from there. So we'll show you guys. It's gonna be a little bit more body work to really get these body lines all dialed where we want them. Get everything straight, no wonks or waves or wobbles or anything. So far we got our gaps pretty decent, fitment pretty decent, body work pretty decent. But it's kind of hard not to just go ahead and take it to that next level when we're already here. So we are gonna do that. Okay, so we have all of our blocking done now with 180. So we're gonna go through now and guide code everything. And then I'm gonna hit it with 240, and that should be our final stage of sanding. So I'll show you guys that. And then we can actually be in final primer. So after I started blocking this thing, I realized that it was actually quite a bit nicer than I thought. So this primer is extremely thick, has a lot to work with. So I probably could have made that my final stage and my last one, but this will be actually about perfect. So I don't like using that word because it doesn't exist, but it's gonna be nice. So let's go ahead and get this thing guide coated, get the last stage done. Hopefully I can have that finished today. So it takes a lot longer than you'd think. All right, we got our guide coat all laid, and it is all hands on deck blocking this thing to hopefully get it in the booth to prime today. So this is all 240 grit. And then the engine bay, we don't need to guide coat and do anything crazy. We're just gonna sand it smooth, lay another round of primer, and that'll be good.